Today we're answering one simple question. What paint should you use for a baby crib? Let's find out. These two cribs look identical, but one is much easier to paint than the other. Here's why. This one is solid wood. You can actually see the natural wood grain. That's exactly why paint sticks so well. In most cases, a quick sanding is all you need before painting. Now this one is melamine. That looks almost identical, but the surface is perfectly smooth. It's like plastic, which means paint doesn't naturally stick. Can you still paint it? Absolutely, but it does need a little more preparation. Now that you know what your crib is made of, let's see which paint actually performs best. Let's start with the option most parents choose, water-based acrylic furniture paint. And honestly, there's a good reason why. It has very little odor, it dries quickly, and it's easy to clean. But most importantly, when you choose a quality water-based furniture paint, it's one of the safest options for a zero-VOC baby crib, free from lead and heavy metals. I'll put the link in the description. Milk paint is a fantastic natural option, especially if you love a beautiful matte finish. There's one important thing to remember, for I always recommend a baby safe protective, especially on a crib that's used every day. Option number 3, chalk paint. Perfect if you love that vintage matte look. It sticks well to many surfaces with very little preparation, but it's not very resistant to scratches or moisture. For a baby crib, always finish with a toy-safe clear top coat. Great for vintage cribs, distressed finishes, but for everyday durability and farmhouse-style nurseries. Option number 4, natural linseed oil paint. A partitional paint with excellent durability once fully cured. However, it takes much longer to dry than modern water-based paints, and it requires specific curing conditions. This option is better suited for experienced DIYers who are willing to take the extra time. For most parents, water-based acrylic furniture paint remains my top choice. Now, melamine is a little different. Because the surface is so smooth, preparation is the most important step. First, clean the surface thoroughly. Remove any grease, wax, or fingerprints because paint won't stick properly to a dirty surface. Next, lightly sand the melamine. You don't need to remove the existing finish, you just need to create a slightly rough surface for better adhesion. Then apply a bonding primer. This is the step that helps the paint properly grip the surface. For melamine cribs, I recommend a high-quality water-based acrylic furniture paint. It's durable, easy to clean, and works great once the surface is properly prepared. With melamine, the preparation is just as important as the paint itself. Now, what about a protective top coat? For most baby cribs, it's usually a good idea. It helps protect against scratches, it makes cleaning easier, and extends the life of the paint. Just make sure you choose a baby-safe, water-based clear finish compatible with your paint system. Painting a baby crib is a great way to give new life to an old piece of furniture. The most important thing is choosing the right paint for your crib's material. With a baby-safe low-VOC paint, proper preparation, and enough curing time, you can create a beautiful crib that's both durable and safe for your little one.